Welcome back to another episode. So today is one of those jobs while you're there. So taking the wheels off, get the calipers, took the bumper off to do the grills. So now it's, might as well try and sort out the bumper. So at the moment, using 15 grit sandpaper, it's had a dodgy repair there. I can't think who's done that. Obviously me, when I first got the car. But again, it served the purpose. So now I think I've got a little bit more knowledge when it comes to paint work. So get that sanded down. We've got some holes underneath there. So try this fine filler stuff for those right the way across. So sand the whole bumper. There's another one there that needs doing as well. It's quite deep, that. And the rest of it, the original paint, take off this top layer, should be okay. So that side will look like this one soon enough. But if I just put some water there and there, you can see that the original paint will come back. So that'll just be a case of putting some clear. So here you can see after the first bit of sanding how that's coming up like that. So that ideally needs to be smooth. So I'll go over that again and see if I can get that so it's flat. So now washed off all the sanding residue. You can see that's been flattened now. That's the primer that I did before. That's all flat. You can see here the bit I didn't really sand compared to what I did. So when the 2K clear goes on that, I should cover that up. And all the way along there, scratches. And we'll go up here, and all those are stone chips. So I'll give another little wipe, and then put some paint on that section here, and along here, because that's all flat now. And then we'll see what that does. Now before applying paint, tack cloth. There we go. Considerable improvement. See the difference there from the old stuff to the new. And all those scratches have pretty much gone. You can see them if you look close enough. But you can see it's put another couple of coats. And that's it for now. Leave it cure. And then 2K it, and hopefully it comes out all shiny. Seems to be drying very nicely. All those scratches pretty much gone now. What's that? Walk along, the hole that was there, that's gone. And a little bit there. So while we leave the paint, get some 2K clear on the grills now. So there we have it. This is the 2K clear. I'll put a link on the description for that. But Doesn't look half bad, especially for an amateur like me. There's always a fly, isn't there? There we go. So that's it for me now. Let it dry and put the bumper back together. Put some 2K on the grill pieces as well, but just wanted to show you what the bumper turned out like. So otherwise, yeah, catch you on the next one.